Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your home team in a match. For example, let's tap the division rivals. There are four options here. I tap the head to head, for example, this one, home stadium. You can change your home stadium and also the weather. But as you can see, unlock by progressing in the star pass. It means you can use this yet because you have to level your up and playing more. By progressing in the star pass, you can get this stadium. And this is the another sample unlocked by progressing star pass. This one also. There are some different event. Maybe this one unlocked by upgrading different area in FIFA World Cup Stadium chapter. And also you can buy the stadium in the store to become your home. Let's get back to the main page. Go to the store, head to the event shop, and this one, stadium. So you can buy every stadium in this store, but you have to purchase this with 100 gem, a jump pack. I don't have enough jump pack to buy the stadium, but if you do, and if you're willing to change your stadium, please go just playing in the star pass, getting from star pass, don't buy in the store. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.